In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a simple 32 by 32 pixel square icon in Canva and export it as a PNG, then upload it as your website favicon. A favicon is the small icon that appears in a browser tab next to your website name. Even though it's tiny, it helps your site look more polished, professional, and recognizable. Because the icon displays at such a small size, the key is to keep the design simple, clean, and easy to recognize at a glance. Start by opening Canva and creating a new design. Set your canvas to a square format, ideally 32 by 32 pixels, or another square size if needed, as long as the design stays proportional and minimal. Since this icon will be viewed at a very small scale, avoid adding too much detail. Simple shapes, a single letter, or a clean symbol usually work best. Choose colors with good contrast so the icon remains visible and clear even when it's reduced in size. Once your design looks good, export the file as a PNG. PNG is a great choice for favicons because it keeps the image crisp and supports transparency if your design uses a transparent background. Before moving on, it's a good idea to quickly review the exported file and make sure everything still looks sharp and centered. If the icon feels crowded or hard to read, go back to Canva and simplify it a little more. After your PNG file is ready, go to your website settings. From there, open website and then find the favicon section. This is where you'll upload the icon that appears in the browser tab for your site. Now drag and drop your image file into the upload field. If you prefer, you can also click the upload area and choose the file manually from your computer, but drag and drop is usually the fastest option. Once the file is added, give the system a moment to process it. You may see a preview which can help confirm that the correct image has been selected. Finally, click Save. This is the step that applies the favicon to your website. After saving, it may take a little time for the new icon to appear, and in some cases, your browser